you need to change your air filter, you're just gonna come in here, driver's side, pull your hood release, pop the hood. It's gonna pop up automatically, and then when you come over here, you're gonna see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws. Now I did remove one of them. You don't have to remove them all the way. You can just get them so that they're loose. They'll pop up. You'll feel that they're no longer screwed in there. And you can see that this is ready to... And then you're gonna have to push this back pretty hard and it'll pop off. You can see there's a little lip right down there and it connects here. And your air filter would be right here. So you can just pull that out. And take your new one. Vacuum this out. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't have a vacuum here, but it's best if you vacuum out. Then you're going to push this back. You want to make sure that those get back over that lip, and then you're going to pull it. Just finish tightening those all the way down. Make sure that they're secure. Get all 4 of those done, and you have changed your air filter. That's how you change the air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.